This is Fox KRBK First Alert Weather with meteorologist David Keller.
We are starting off today just off the coast of Florida, where we have the first tropical storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. That would be Tropical Storm Arthur, spinning right there just north of the Bahamas, east of Orlando and Cape Canaveral. Still a tropical storm at this point, but you can see on the satellite looking very healthy, maybe trying to intensify just a bit over the last several hours. Right now, max wind speeds right around 50 miles per hour. It is moving very, very slowly to the north and west at about 2 miles per hour, and the center right about 90 miles east of Cape Canaveral, Florida. But the forecast models do take the storm to the north and eventually to the northeast right along the east coast. So if you have travel plans over the next several days, I know we are getting close to that 4th of July weekend towards the east coast, keep this in mind. We will certainly be talking about Tropical Storm Arthur over the next several days. We may even have to talk about Hurricane Arthur. Right now that is not in the forecast, but we will be watching it closely, certainly bringing some heavy rain and winds to the east coast of the United States. Now back here in the Ozarks, it really turned into a nice evening here in Springfield. We had a cold front move through earlier today. Had to dodge some showers early this morning. That front now pushing down into Arkansas with some thunderstorms firing up right along it. A severe thunderstorm watch was in effect earlier. That has since been canceled and no real reports of severe weather. So that is some good news. Those thunderstorms will continue to sink away from the Ozarks overnight tonight, just allowing some cooler and drier air to filter in. Temperatures already down to about 83 degrees here in Springfield, and you'll notice that humidity quite a bit lower than the last couple of days. So it is going to be a nice overnight and early morning here in the Ozarks. We did see a high temperature of 85 here in Springfield, 88 in Harrison, so right around where we should be for this time of year, but we're going to be dropping below that for the next couple of days, so that is some nice news. Temperatures tonight down to about 62 degrees here in Springfield under partly cloudy skies with some slow clearing, and the big news is that less humid air that is filtering in, that really going to make it feel nice as we head into your Wednesday. Across the rest of the area, still some warmer, more humid air hanging on across northern Arkansas, low around 66 in Mountain Home, 61 in Warsaw. Some of those river valleys could actually drop into the upper 50s tonight, and I think tomorrow night we're going to be talking about more widespread 50-degree weather. So it is going to be a little bit on the cool side here for the next couple of days. Highs tomorrow maybe not making it out of the 70s, 75 in Rolla, 75 in Lebanon, 79 here in Springfield. So certainly a cool July day. It's not every July that we get to see temperatures this cool. So we are going to start off with plenty of sunshine. That'll be the case through most of the day. Temperatures up to about 78 degrees for your afternoon high. And then as we look forward towards that 4th of July, still looking very nice out there. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures right around 82 degrees for that afternoon high. And the lower humidity still sticking around with an evening temperature around 75 degrees, really making for some ideal fireworks viewing weather. Now we do begin to warm up as we head into the weekend, and that humidity slowly returns, about 86 on Saturday, 88 on Sunday, eventually translating into a chance for thunderstorms by the middle of next week. But it really, the next several days, is looking like a fantastic weather pattern. Hopefully you can get outside and enjoy some of that weather. Thanks for visiting FoxKRBK.com.